feeling a bit more human after breakfast and a shower and whatnot. And again, it's a work day for me, so I'm doing some preparation before I go to work. Tonight's meal, we're going to have the barbecue chicken wings that were on special at €149. And then we couldn't decide between chips and jacket, so in the end, I had to go and ask Dave. Normally he gets a surprise, he doesn't know what he's having for dinner until he gets it in front of him. So we're having chips, so obviously not a lot of preparation today, so nice, quick and simple. Down here. Okay. During the week I've been saving my vegetable peelings when I have used them, and I will make a vegetable stock. So when I cook something like a paella or something like that, I've got a nice stock already. A lot of you probably know how to chip a potato, but I'm going to go slightly more French fries tonight, because obviously chicken wings is a little bit American-ish, isn't it, really? So I'm going to have nice little French fries. So I've just sliced the potato down long ways, and then basically you can cut your chips as thick or as thin as you like. Once these are done, I'm going to pop them in a pot in water so they don't go a horrible colour black while I'm at work. And then I will shallow fry them. I'll probably do the chicken wings in the oven. If I decide to shallow fry them, I'll probably coat them in a slight dusting of flour to keep the sauce on. So until I really get home from work, and I'll see what I feel like. So there you go. A short work on some potatoes. I have actually already costed this out. So obviously the chicken wings were $1.49. These 3 potatoes work out to about 90 cents. It's probably a little bit less because I worked it out to the nearest kilo, and this is under a kilo. And then I've added a few cents for extra barbecue sauce or sweet chili sauce or whatever we're gonna have with our chips tonight. So it works out about €2.50 for the two of us. Bargain. Okay. And I'll see you later, and we'll go from there. Alright, hi there. I was a little bit late getting home from work tonight, but we still got the chicken wings and chips. In the end, I actually grilled them. I decided if I put them under the grill, that barbecue sauce would get really nice and sort of like burnt and crispy. And they say homemade chips, which I shallow fried. And we've got barbecue, sweet chili, mayonnaise, and obviously even here in Spain, we've got good old salt and malt vinegar. So, right, and we're both starving. It's been a long day, so we're going to go and get tucked in. All right, see you soon.